like listening to music? Music fan? Oh no, he likes playing FIFA. Enduro on a scooter. Apparently we found the Turkish Acropolis, so here we go.
More songs.
Nice well-preserved tourist area. Hello beautiful. You come to see the Acropolis too? Yes. Happy?
Happy now.
Me too. Me too.
Let's go for a little ride.
Come on, Graham Jarvis! Ago's not a real man. Go on, son! Ago wrestling with his motorbike again. See, I told us not to come down this path. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. Come on, say goodbye to your girlfriend. Well, after our day of scooter enduro, we are back to the ship. How do you feel, Agu?
Tired, I want to sleep. But it was a nice day.
Shower and sleep sounds lovely. Anyway, see you next time.